today I'm gonna be doing what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing my BlushMark haul. I have so many things I got from BlushMark like a couple weeks ago, and finally I'm gonna be reviewing them today. Hopefully everything is, what it said it was online, and it's of quality. I'm probably just gonna put on like a pair of shorts and then show you guys all the tops, and then I have some dresses, some sweat shorts, sweatpants. But before we continue, I need everybody to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment something down below, maybe what you guys want to see in the next video. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the first crop top. Honestly, I really like this. Like, this is mad cute. Like, okay. And this is what the back looks like. It's just, normal. But this is cute. This is cute. Nope. Nah, for real though. This is cute. Like, I really like this shirt. Honestly, I should have got more. I got a black one, but I'm actually definitely gonna order more colors because this is cute. Like, this is really cute. Okay, so this is the black one. Honestly, these shirts are mad cute. Like, I'm honestly surprised. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, it literally doesn't even matter. But yeah, the material is nice. Like, just look at the shirt. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So this is the next shirt that I got. It's like, basically the way I saw it was like this. I hope it doesn't like pop open. Okay. Okay. Nah, for real though, this shirt is mad cute. The back is normal and whatever. But yeah, like, this is so cute. Like, I'll probably, honestly, I might wear this shirt this weekend. Like, yeah, this is cute. I fuck with this shirt. No! The material is nice. Like, it's just like a regular cotton shirt. Nothing crazy. But nah, I really think this is cute. Like, I like this. Yeah. No, this is cute. This is mad cute. This is the next shirt. Honestly, the next couple shirts I have are pretty much like this, just different colors, but this is actually cute. Like, I like this. I already have a couple shirts like this, but they're made of cotton. They're not like, I don't know, this like, I don't know what you call this. It's like a dry fit, like nylon type of material. So yeah, I actually like it. It's cute. So yeah, this one's just red. It's cute. I like it. It's super basic, red. Can't go wrong with red, can't go wrong with black, white. Yeah, this one might be my favorite just because I love the color. Like, I have an orange one too that I really like. But this one's just like summer, like hot girl summer. Yeah, I'm probably not going to try on the white one just because it literally looks like all of these. I'll try on the orange one so you guys can see the color. But yeah, the white one, it's just white. It looks like this. I don't want to get my makeup on it, so, So yeah, this one, just the orange one. Super cute. I love honestly, this one might be my favorite, but I think the neon one is just because, like, I don't know. They're both like neon if you think about it though. This is just orange, but yeah, like, all fire. Okay, I got a few more crop tops to show you guys, like 2 jumpsuits. Okay, so this is like one of the other crop tops that I got, and it's basically like a tie in the back, but obviously if I was to wear this, I would have someone else tie it because, as you can see, it's like crooked right here, and just like, yeah, I couldn't really tie myself, but this is really cute. Like, this is actually really cute. I have so many things I could wear this with, like, but this is actually cute. If it wasn't like crooked right here. But yeah, this is like a silk material. Yeah, this is silk, I think. And I think it's cute. Beside it being like crooked right here, which is driving me crazy. I'll definitely be wearing this one. So this is the black one. The black one's super cute. Like, I have a bunch of stuff I could wear with this too. And the back, it's the same, it's just a tie. So this one I was able to get a little bit straighter than the last one. But yeah, this is cute. Like, it's silk, same as the last one. Okay, and this is my last crop top. So this is just basically the same as the last two. This is a really nice brown color. The back is the same. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I like it. It's nice. Like, it's cute and whatever. Now, this is really cute though, no cap. This is cute. Okay, so this is a 2-piece I bought. This is a medium. I know it's way too tight because literally you can see, like, I'm like popping out of this. Like, look at that. Nah, this is way too tight. Like, the top is like okay. I could probably, wear like some jeans or like shorts or, whatever. But yeah, the bottoms are way too tight though. Like, you can see right here, it's like cutting off my circulation. Yeah, so this is a medium. I did get a large in a black set. So I'll try that on next. But yeah, this is like way too tight. Like I would not wear this outside. The shirt though, I would wear outside, but these, they gotta go. Okay, so this is the black suit. I like it. At least the top I like. Pants, or the shorts I mean, they're okay. Not bad. They're obviously bigger, which is like good. But I don't know. I feel like in the front, they just low-key look like, I don't know. I just don't really like them that much in the front. Like, but yeah, I mean, I feel like it's okay. Will I wear the shorts?
Hell no.
Probably at some point, like, you know, probably not anywhere important, but I like the last one better because I feel like it looked cuter, but this one fits better, so I don't know. I'm having mixed feelings about the shorts, but it's okay though.
You could get the fuck from my face.